Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create an invoice and add payment to an invoice in Xero. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're in, let's start by creating an invoice. From the Xero dashboard, go to the Business menu at the top and then click on Invoices. Next, click the New Invoice button to create a new sales invoice. Now, fill in the invoice details. Start by selecting the customer you're invoicing. Add the date of the invoice and the due date. You can also customize the invoice number if you prefer. Next, add your items or services, including description, quantities, and prices. Xero will automatically calculate totals and taxes based on your settings. Once you double-check everything, click on Approve to finalize the invoice. Once the invoice is created, you may want to record a payment. To do that, simply open the invoice, click the Add Payment button. Now enter the payment details, the amount received, the payment date, and the method, whether it's cash, bank transfer, or card payment. Click Add to record the payment. Xero will update the invoice status to paid. And that's it. Your invoice is now marked as paid, and the payment has been recorded in Xero. You can view this in your invoice list or under the customer's account. Creating and managing invoice in Xero is quick and easy, helping you stay on top of your business finances. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe for more Xero tips and tutorials.